On second thoughts. Out of date. Out of doors. Out of sight. Step by step. To ask for permission. To be in demand. To be in trouble. To catch cold. To declare war. To do research. To give permission. To give way. To keep house. To lose control. To lose heart. To lose sight. To make fun of. To make money. To make progress. To pay attention. To set foot. To shake hands. To speak English. To take advantage. To take care. To take first place. To take offense. To take part. To take place. To take to heart. To tell lies. Under pressure. With knife and fork.